Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this continuation, we'll pick up where we left off in Part 1 and guide you through the step-by-step process of handling expired diesel fuel. From testing the fuel to adding stabilizers, we'll cover all the necessary steps to ensure your diesel fuel remains usable and your engine runs smoothly. Get ready to learn how to manage expired diesel fuel and maintain your diesel vehicle's performance. When it comes to the lifespan of diesel fuel, several factors can significantly impact its quality and efficiency over time. Understanding these key elements is crucial for ensuring the longevity and performance of diesel fuel in any storage or usage scenario. Exposure to air and moisture. Exposure to air and moisture is a primary factor that can accelerate the degradation of diesel fuel. When diesel fuel comes into contact with air, it undergoes oxidation, leading to the formation of harmful compounds that can compromise its chemical composition. Additionally, moisture content in diesel fuel creates an environment conducive to microbial growth, which further contributes to fuel degradation. To mitigate these effects, proper storage containers and conditions that minimize air and moisture exposure are essential. Temperature fluctuations. Temperature fluctuations play a significant role in determining the stability of diesel fuel. Fluctuating temperatures can cause the fuel to expand and contract, leading to the formation of sediments and deposits that can negatively impact engine performance. Extreme temperature variations can also affect the overall quality of the fuel, making it less efficient and potentially harmful to engine components. Maintaining consistent storage temperatures and using appropriate additives can help mitigate the effects of temperature fluctuations on diesel fuel. Storage conditions. Proper storage conditions are paramount in preserving the quality of diesel fuel and extending its lifespan. Factors such as temperature control, storage container material, and exposure to light all play vital roles in maintaining the integrity of diesel fuel. Storing diesel fuel in clean, airtight containers made of suitable materials, such as aluminum or steel, can help prevent contamination and degradation. Additionally, storing fuel away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures can further safeguard its stability and performance. By understanding and addressing these critical factors affecting diesel fuel degradation, individuals and businesses can ensure that their fuel remains optimal for use and maintains its quality over an extended period. Implementing best practices in storage and handling can go a long way in maximizing the efficiency and longevity of diesel fuel resources. Does diesel fuel go bad? How long can it last? When it comes to the shelf life of diesel fuel, understanding its longevity is crucial for anyone handling this type of fuel. The general shelf life of diesel fuel under ideal conditions is typically around 6 to 12 months. Factors such as exposure to air and water contamination, temperature fluctuations, and the presence of impurities can significantly impact the quality and durability of diesel fuel. Proper storage and handling play a vital role in preserving its integrity and extending its usability. Shelf life of diesel fuel. The shelf life of diesel fuel can vary depending on storage conditions. Under ideal circumstances, diesel fuel can last up to a year without significant degradation. However, exposure to air can cause oxidation, leading to the formation of sediments and gums that can clog fuel filters and injectors. Water contamination is another common issue that can promote microbial growth and fuel degradation. Monitoring and maintaining optimal storage conditions can help prolong the shelf life of diesel fuel. Signs of bad diesel fuel. Identifying bad diesel fuel is essential to prevent engine damage and ensure optimal performance. Common indicators of diesel fuel degradation include changes in color, from a clear, amber hue to a cloudy or dark appearance. The presence of a foul odor or unusual smell is also a sign of contaminated fuel. Sediment formation at the bottom of storage tanks or visible particulates in the fuel can indicate fuel breakdown. Poor engine performance, such as rough idling, reduced power output, or frequent stalling, can be attributed to bad diesel fuel. Storage recommendations. Proper storage practices are key to maintaining the quality of diesel fuel and extending its usable lifespan. Storing diesel fuel in clean, airtight containers or tanks can help minimize exposure to contaminants. Keeping fuel storage areas cool and dry can prevent water condensation and microbial growth. Regularly inspecting storage tanks for leaks, corrosion, or foreign particles is essential for ensuring fuel quality. Additionally, using fuel stabilizers and additives can help preserve the integrity of diesel fuel during storage. Understanding the shelf life of diesel fuel, recognizing signs of degradation, and implementing effective storage recommendations are crucial for maximizing the usability and performance of diesel fuel. By following best practices and monitoring fuel quality, users can ensure a steady and reliable fuel supply for their vehicles and equipment. In closing, the longevity of diesel fuel is influenced by various factors such as storage conditions, temperature fluctuations, water contamination, and microbial growth. To ensure the quality of diesel fuel over time, it is crucial to store it properly in a clean, dry, and well-ventilated environment. Regular monitoring of the fuel for any signs of degradation, such as sedimentation or foul odors, is essential to prevent using bad diesel fuel. By following these best practices, you can prolong the lifespan of diesel fuel and maintain optimal performance for your vehicles and equipment. Remember, prevention is key when it comes to preserving the quality of diesel fuel. As we conclude our two-part series on whether diesel fuel expires, we hope you found this information helpful and empowering. Remember, by properly handling and maintaining your diesel fuel, you can ensure your engine's longevity and performance. Until next time, may you continue to explore, learn, and maintain your diesel vehicle with confidence. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.